What's up, Booze?
Hey, everybody.
Welcome to this episode of Booze Cruise, and we are doing a quick video on something that we have that everyone else wants. You want to know what it is?
It's the chicken sandwich from Popeyes.
Want to see what we think? Stay tuned for this episode of Booze Cruise, the Popeyes edition.
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Okay, so
Alright.
This is what it looks like out. Show them yours.
Yes, I have the regular, non-spicy, just regular crispy chicken.
And I got the regular, but I added a little bit of buffalo sauce to mine. I will say,
I thought it came with pickles.
did yours not have pickles?
Oh, well, it's like
They're
two
in
pickles.
there.
Okay.
Oh, 2 pickles. The bun is soft and it is definitely buttered, which
Yes.
already looks amazing. Okay,
All right.
first impressions.
Okay.
That is pretty good. You just dropped in my...
It's good.
It's really good.
It's
Would I
chicken.
wait hours in line for it?
We didn't wait hours at all. We were driving
No.
by. We were going to Walmart, and we saw that we were in Burbank, California, and we saw that this Popeyes was fairly empty. So we just stepped in,
Yeah.
and we were in and out within like 15 minutes, I guess. We weren't waiting too long, but
Yeah, I mean, this is the inside. 1 out of 10, what would you give it?
I mean, for a regular chicken sandwich, I would give it a 10. But to wait in line for all the hype, I give it a 4. Because it's normal. Like, I mean, it's nothing special. I thought it was going to be like the best thing I ever tasted.
It's good.
It's a chicken sandwich.
It's a chicken sandwich. It needs more buffalo sauce. I know that usually it's what makes it spicy is there's like a spicy mayo. I hate mayo, so I was like,
But
I'm
it's-
just gonna do buffalo sauce.
Literally nothing on it, but it's the bread, it's mayo, and pickles, and chicken breast. Okay.
The bread is really good. Oh my gosh, there was boxes stacked to the ceiling that we were like, is that the chicken just chilling outside? But it was the bread, the bakery.
I think another good thing about it is the size.
Oh
It's
yeah,
a very big burger, sandwich.
yeah, for sure.
So maybe that's why people like it so much, because it's big. Chick-fil-A is tiny. Like,
Oh.
little, like biscuit size.
We don't deal in hate chicken anyway. Sorry. You don't like our kind? No. Anyway, that's our thoughts on the Popeyes chicken. We're gonna finish it. Do you guys ever watch mukbangs? Like when you sit and watch people eat? They're very popular on YouTube. We keep saying we're gonna do one. I guess this is like our first semi-mukbang.
I guess so.
Yeah.
But you gotta have like the mic set up so they can hear the smacking
No, that's ew.
and the sound. But no,
Mm-mm.
certain mukbangs they like to hear the sound of the.
But that's like ASMR, right?
But
That's different than regular mukbangs. Regular mukbangs, I think, are just you sitting and eating. Whereas, we're trying to like get us both in, but there's a height. And anyway, but yeah, I mean, listen. If you are near a Popeyes and the line is not too long, sure, get a chicken sandwich. Wait in line for hours and
it's not worth all the stuff that's going on in the news that I'm seeing. Like all these.
somebody
fights,
died. People were
someone
fighting. No.
That's ridiculous. But if you want to just step in, wait a good 10 to 15 minutes for a good chicken sandwich, then yeah.
Yeah. If you
Go
are a
right
chicken
ahead.
sandwich fan, I will say, now this is a praise. I think this is the best chicken sandwich I've had from a fast food place. Like, you know, McDonald's and definitely not Hey Chicken and all those people don't really compare. Like, this is a sizable and it's like real legit piece of chicken breast. It's like,
and it's not that pricey.
No.
It's $4.
yeah, I would pay, like, if this were brought to me in a restaurant, I wouldn't question it. So that's saying a lot for a fast food joint.
Yeah.
So yeah.
It's really good. But
That's good.
I got a 10 for chicken sandwich,
Mhm.
4 for the chaos that has ensued.
The hype.
It's not worth it.
Mm-hmm. Anyway, just want to pop on and share this with you guys. We love you. Don't forget to subscribe. It's at Booze Cruise, at BOOSCRUIZ, because you're worth it. We're about 4 days.
4 days away from the cruise.
From the cruise.
Yes.
Yay,
Wait.
so excited.
It's Wednesday, so we have until Sunday, right? Monday.
Mondays when
Monday, yeah.
when we're leaving. Yay! All right, we love you.
Bye, guys.